Study secret number 4. Are you ready? Let's get ready for a superb activity. When I say the word buildings, what famous monuments or major buildings that come to your mind? Go down to the comment section below or the chat box or even the discuss group. Write down. Your time starts now. Thank you for your answers. Many of you have written Burj Khalifa, Qutub Minar, Taj Mahal, pyramids, Eiffel Tower, and many such buildings like even Twin Towers. Thank you so much for your answer. However, what type of buildings are these? What do you call them as? The word starts from O. What is O? Superb activity number 2. Think of an animal. Get set, go. Most of you have answered as lion, tiger or elephant. So these are what kind of an animals? These are O dash animals. What it is? This is the secret number 4. Mind loves outstanding. Mind can remember outstanding things. General, ordinary things, the mind deletes it or distorts it and only can remember outstanding things. Let me give you another example. In fact, let me ask you a question. Think of a painting, a famous painting. What's come to your mind? Mona Lisa. Yes, Mona Lisa is an outstanding painting and that's why it pops in our mind immediately. So if you want to learn anything, make associations which are outstanding. Mind loves outstanding. Mind remembers only outstanding things or events or people. Mind is crazy about outstanding things. So this was study secret of the brain secret number 4. Continue to watch our videos. You will find out how we will use this technique to make studies fun and easy. Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number 1 in studies and number 1 in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website www.superbhumans.com. Thank you so much.